Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Sharda Devi Maths Classes. Today we are starting from question number 2 onwards from the first chapter Rational and Irrational Numbers. So let us start. Second question is write lowest rationalizing factor of first sub question 5 root 2. Rationalize means to eliminate root. If you have 2 root 2, we have to eliminate this root 2 in this. So what we have to do? We have to multiply this with another root 2. So that root 2 into root 2 will give you 2. So 2 into 2 will give you what? 4. So by using that concept, we can eliminate that root here. That is, we have to rationalize this. Lowest rationalizing factor we have to find out. So this is equal to 5 root 2 into root 2. So that will give you 5 into 2, which is equal to 10. 10 is a rational number because 10 can be written as 10 by 1. So we have rationalized, so which is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of 5 root 2 is root 2. Now the second question is root 24. Here we have to factorize this 24. So 24 can be written like this. Root 2 into 2 into 2 into 3, that is root of 2 raised to 3 into 3, that is equal to, we can pair this, that is root of 2 square into 2 into 3. So root of 2 square is 2, then root of 2 into 3, that is 6. So here we have to rationalize this, that is 2 root 6 into root 6 will give you 2 into 6, that is 12, which is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of root 24 is root 6. Now the third sub question is root 5 minus 3. Here the conjugate of this root 5 minus 3 is root 5 plus 3. So we have to rationalize this. So root 5 minus 3 into its conjugate, that is root 5 plus 3. That will give you a minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. By using that, root 5 square minus 3 square. Root 5 square is 5 minus 9, that is minus 4. Minus 4 can be written as minus 4 by 1. So this is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of root 5 minus 3 is root 5 plus 3, that is its conjugate. Now the fourth sub question is 7 minus root 7. Its conjugate is 7 plus root 7. So multiplying with the conjugate, we get 7 minus root 7 into 7 plus root 7. A minus b into a plus b, that is a square minus b square. So 7 square minus root 7 square. This is 49 minus 7, that is 42. 42 is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of 7 minus root 7 is 7 plus root 7, its conjugate. Now the fifth sub question is root 18 minus root 50. Here we can factorize this 80 and 50. We have factorized 18 and 50. So we can write this root 18 as root of 3 square into 2. Then that minus root of 50 can be written as 2 into 5 raised to 2. Now this is equal to root 3 square is 3. Then what is remaining? Root 2. So 3 root 2 minus root of 5 square is 5 root 2. So this is 3 root 2 minus 5 root 2, that is minus 2 root 2. Now we have to rationalize this minus 2 root 2. So minus 2 root 2 into root 2. That will give you minus 2 into 2. That is minus 4, which is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of root 18 minus root 50 is root 2. Now the sixth question is root 5 minus root 2. Here what is its conjugate? That is root 5 plus root 2. Now multiply this root 5 minus root 2 with its conjugate. So root 5 minus root 2 can be written as root 5 minus root 2 into root 5 plus root 2. This is equal to a minus b into a plus b. So a square minus b square, that is 5 minus 2, which is 3. This is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of root 5 minus root 2 is root 5 plus root 2, that is its conjugate. Now the seventh question is root 13 plus 3. Its conjugate is root 13 minus 3. So on multiplying with the conjugate, you will get root 13 plus 3 into root 13 minus 3. Root 13 square minus 3 square. That is root 13 square is 13 minus 3 square is 9. So this is 4, which is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of root 13 plus 3 is root 13 minus 3, that is its conjugate. Now the eighth question is 15 minus 3 root 2. Its conjugate is 15 plus 3 root 2. On multiplying 15 minus 3 root 2 with its conjugate, we will get 15 minus 3 root 2 into 15 plus 3 root 2. That is equal to 15 square minus 3 root 2 square. This is 225. 15 square minus 3 square is 9, that into root 2 square is 2. That is 225 minus 18. This is equal to 207. This is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of 15 minus 3 root 2 is 15 plus 3 root 2, its conjugate. Now the ninth question is 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3. Its conjugate is 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. Now on multiplying this with its conjugate, we will get 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 into 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. A plus b into a minus b form. So 3 root 2 whole square minus 2 root 3 whole square. This is 3 square is 9, that into root 2 square is 2 minus 2 square is 4 into root 3 square is 3. This is 18 minus 12, which is 6. 6 is a rational number. Therefore, the lowest rationalizing factor of 3 root 2 plus 2 root 3 is its conjugate 3 root 2 minus 2 root 3. The third question is rationalize the denominator of 3 by root 5. Here we have to rationalize the denominator. So, we can write this as 3 by root 5 into both numerator and denominator we have to multiply with root 5, otherwise value will change. Now this is equal to 3 root 5 divided by root 5 into root 5 is 5. So the denominator is rationalized. No root is there in the denominator. Thus we have rationalized the denominator. Now the second sub question is 2 root 3 by root 5. Here we have to rationalize the denominator. We can write this as 2 root 3 by root 5. Now we can multiply both the numerator and denominator with the root 5. So root 5 by root 5. Now this is equal to 2 into root 3 into root 5, that is root 15, root a into root b, that is root of a into b, by using that. Now that divided by root 5 into root 5, that is root 5 square, that is 5. So we have eliminated root in the denominator. So we have rationalized. Now the third question is 1 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Here 2 roots are there in the denominator. We have to eliminate those roots. So we can write this as 1 by root 3 minus root 2 into its conjugate is root 3 plus root 2. With that conjugate, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator. So, root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. Now, this is equal to 1 into root 3 plus root 2 is root 3 plus root 2 divided by this is root 3 square minus root 2 square, a minus b into a plus b, a square minus b square form. This is equal to root 3 plus root 2 divided by root 3 square is 3 minus root 2 square is 2. That is equal to root 3 plus root 2 by 1. That is root 3 plus root 2. We have eliminated root in the denominator. That is, we have rationalized the denominator. Now, the fourth question is 3 divided by root 5 plus root 2. This can be written as 3 divided by root 5 plus root 2 into its conjugate, that is root 5 minus root 2. With the conjugate, we have to multiply both numerator and denominator. So, 3 by root 5 plus root 2 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by root 5 minus root 2. That is equal to 3 into root 5 minus root 2. Then this is root 5 square minus root 2 square. That is equal to 3 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by this is 5 minus 2. That is equal to 3 into root 5 minus root 2 divided by 5 minus 2 will get 3. So, 3 and 3 we can cancel. What is remaining? Root 5 minus root 2. Thus, we have eliminated root in the denominator. We have rationalized the denominator. Now, the fifth question is 2 minus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. Here the conjugate of 2 plus root 3 is 2 minus root 3. With that, we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator in order to eliminate root in the denominator. So, this is equal to 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 plus root 3, then that into its conjugate 2 minus root 3 divided by 2 minus root 3. This is equal to 2 minus root 3 whole square. If this is a and this is a, then a into a is a square. So, 2 minus root 3 square divided by this in this form a plus b into a minus b, that is a square minus b square. So, 2 square minus root 3 square. Now, this is equal to a minus b whole square, that is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. By using that, we can write the numerator as 2 square plus root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. That is equal to 4 plus root 3 square is 3 minus 2 into 2, 4 root 3, 4 root 3 by 4 minus 3, that is 1, that is equal to 7 minus 4 root 3. No root in the denominator. So, we have rationalized the denominator. The sixth subquestion is root 3 plus 1 by root 3 minus 1. That is equal to root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 minus 1. Now, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of this root 3 minus 1, that is root 3 plus 1. So, this into root 3 plus 1 divided by root 3 plus 1. Now, we can put bracket like this, that is equal to root 3 plus 1 whole square divided by root 3 square minus 1. 1 square is 1. Root 3 square plus 1 square is 1 plus 2 into root 3 into 1 divided by root 3 square is 3 minus 1. This is equal to root 3 square, that is 3 plus 1 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 root 3 divided by 2. This is equal to 4 plus 2 root 3 by 2. That is equal to, we can take 2 outside. of the numerator. Then 2 into 2 plus root 3 divided by 2. Now we can cancel 2 and 2. Now what is remaining? 2 plus root 3. Thus we have eliminated root in the denominator. Now the seventh question is root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2. We can multiply both numerator and denominator with the conjugate of denominator, that is root 3 minus root 2. So this is equal to root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 plus root 2 into root 3 minus root 2 divided by root 3 minus root 2. Now this is equal to root 3 minus root 2 whole square divided by root 3 square minus root 2 square. So this is equal to root 3 square minus 2 into root 3 into root 2 plus root 2 square. Root 3 square is 3 minus root 2 square is 2. So this is root 3 square is 3 minus 2 root 6. Root 3 into root 2 is root 6 plus root 2 square is 2 divided by 3 minus 2, that is 1. This is equal to 5 minus 2 root 6. So we have rationalized the denominator. Now the eighth question is root 6 minus root 5 by root 6 plus root 5. Here we can multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of root 6 plus root 5, that is root 6 minus root 5. So we can write this as root 6 minus root 5 by root 6 plus root 5 into root 6 minus root 5 divided by root 6 minus root 5. So this is equal to root 6 minus root 5 whole square divided by root 6 square minus root 5 square, that is equal to root 6 square plus root 5 square minus 2 into root 6 into root 5 divided by root 6 square is 6 minus root 5 square is 5. So this can be written as root 6 square is 6 plus root 5 square is 5 minus 2 root 6 into 5, that is 30 divided by 6 minus 5, that is 1, that is equal to 11 minus 2 root 30. Eliminated root in the denominator. So we have rationalized the denominator. Now the ninth question is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Now we can write this as 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 by 2 root 5 minus 3 root 2. Now we can multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. So that is 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. So into 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2. Now this is equal to 2 root 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square divided by, this is a minus b into a plus b form. So 2 root 5 square minus 3 root 2 square. This is equal to 2 root 5 square plus 3 root 2 square plus 2 into 2 root 5 into 3 root 2 divided by 2 square is 4, that into root 5 square is 5 minus 3 root 2 whole square, that is 3 square 9 into root 2 square is 2. Now this is equal to 2 square, that is 4 into root 5 square is 5 plus 3 square, that is 9 into root 2 square is 2 plus 2 into 2 into 3. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, root 5 into root 2, that is root of 5 into 2, that is 10. Then that whole divided by 4 into 5, 20 minus 9 into 2, 18. That is equal to 4 into 5, 20 plus 18 plus 12 root 10 divided by 20 minus 18, that is 2. This is 38 plus 12 root 10 divided by 2. Now this is equal to 2 we can take out from this 38 and 12 root 10. So this is 2 into 19 plus 6 root 10 divided by 2. You can cancel 2 and 2. What is remaining? 19 plus 6 root 10. No root in the denominator. Hence we have rationalized the denominator. The fourth question is find the value of a and b in each of the following. We can write this as 2 plus root 3 by 2 minus root 3. Now we can multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of 2 minus root 3. That is 2 plus root 3. So into 2 plus root 3 by 2 plus root 3. This is equal to a plus b root 3. Now this is 2 plus root 3 whole square divided by 2 square minus root 3 square. That is a plus b root 3. This is 2 square is 4 plus root 3 square plus 2 into root 3 divided by 2 square is 4 minus root 3 square is 3. That is equal to a plus b root 3. That is 4 plus 3 plus 4 root 3 divided by 1 is equal to a plus b root 3. This is 4 plus 3, 7 plus 4 root 3 is equal to a plus b root 3. So we can compare the left side and right side. Here root 3 is with the 4. Here root 3 is with the b. So 4 root 3 is equal to b root 3. So root 3 is same. So b is equal to 4. Now what is a? A is clearly equal to 7. So a is 7 and b is 4. Now the second sub question is root 7 minus 2 by root 7 plus 2 is equal to a root 7 plus b. Here we have to find the value of a and b. So let us write root 7 minus 2 by root 7 plus 2. Now we can multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of the denominator. What is the root 7 minus 2? So root 7 minus 2 divided by root 7 minus 2. Now that is equal to a root 7 plus b. Now this is root 7 minus 2 whole square divided by root 7 square minus 2 square. That is equal to a root 7 plus b. Now this is a minus b whole square form. So a square, that is root 7 square plus b square, that is 2 square minus 2 into root 7 into 2 divided by root 7 square is 7 minus 2 square, that is equal to a root 7 plus b. Root 7 square is 7 plus 2 square is 4 minus 2 into 2 is 4 root 7 divided by 7 minus 4, that is 3. That is equal to a root 7 plus b. 7 plus 4, that is 11 minus 4 root 7 divided by 3, that is equal to a root 7 plus b. Now this can be written as 11 by 3 minus 4 by 3 into root 7, that is equal to a root 7 plus b. So what is b here? B is 11 by 3. Now what is in the place of a root 7 here? That is minus 4 by 3 root 7. So what is a? Minus 4 root 7 by 3, then that into this root 7. Root 7 and root 7 can be cancelled. So what is a? Minus 4 by 3. So we have found out A and B. Now the third question is 3 divided by root 3 minus root 2 equal to A root 3 minus B root 2. 3 by root 3 minus root 2, then that into its conjugate, that is root 3 plus root 2. We have to multiply in the numerator also. Root 3 plus root 2, that is equal to A root 3 minus B root 2. That is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by root 3 square minus root 2 square, that is equal to A root 3 minus B root 2. This is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by root 3 square is 3 minus root 2 square is 2. That is equal to A root 3 minus B root 2. That is 3 root 3 plus 3 root 2 divided by 3 minus 2, that is 1. So this is equal to A root 3 minus B root 2. Here 3 root 3 is the same as A root 3. So A root 3 is equal to 3 root 3. Root 3 and root 3 can be cancelled. So what is A? A is 3. Now this 3 root 2 and minus B root 2, they are equal. So minus B root 2, that is equal to 3 root 2. Root 2 and root 2 can be cancelled. So minus B is equal to 3, that is B is equal to minus 3. So we have found out A and B. Now the fourth sub-question is 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 5 minus 3 root 2 is equal to A plus B root 2. Now this is 5 plus 3 root 2 divided by 5 minus 3 root 2. Now we have to multiply both the numerator and denominator with the conjugate of 5 minus 3 root 2, that is 5 plus 3 root 2. In the numerator, here also 5 plus 3 root 2 we have to multiply. That is equal to A plus B root 2. That is 5 plus 3 root 2 whole square divided by 5 square minus 3 root 2 whole square, that is equal to A plus B root 2. That is 5 square plus 3 root 2 whole square plus 2 into 5 into 3 root 2 divided by 5 square is 25 minus 3 square is 9 into root 2 square is 2, that is equal to A plus B root 2. This is equal to 5 square is 25 plus 3 square is 9 into root 2 square is 2 plus 2 into 5 into 3, that is 30 root 2 divided by 25 minus 18, that is equal to A plus B root 2. That is 25 plus 18, that is 43 plus 30 root 2 divided by 25 minus 18, that is 7, that is equal to A plus B root 2. Now 43 by 7 plus 30 by 7 root 2, that is equal to A plus B root 2. From this it is clear that this A is equal to 43 by 7. So A is equal to 43 by 7. What is B root 2? B root 2 is equal to 30 by 7 root 2. Root 2 and root 2 we can cancel. So what is B? B is equal to 30 by 7. So okay, thank you very much for watching the video. Practice all these questions thoroughly. Soon I will come back with the next video. Till then, bye bye.